Hello, my friends. So there's a lot to go over, and I'm I'm busy today in the sense that I am enjoying myself. So, Bitmex, this weekend, so far, we have 6x'd our money. We started with trading with 13,000, now we're at 84,000. And our average entry price currently in this current trade is 73.78. We are currently pumping to what I believe is going to be happening at 7,500, and then I'm going to sell a nice fatty fucking chunk, probably about half, and we're going to bounce back down to 7,400 again, and I'm going to open up. I'm going to open it up again. I'd like this number to be at over 100,000 because next week I believe that we can very well touch $8,600 next week. Now, when I say touch, I mean touch. I don't mean we're going to be chilling at 8,600 all week next week. But oh man, I am so bullish on Bitcoin. So bullish. No matter what news, what governments, what comes out on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, no matter what. And I learned something about Bitcoin, about the Chinese, those that have billions instead of millions. And I don't want to take credit for what I'm about to tell you guys, because I got it from one of my sources. So I'll tell you what's going on. If you look, or if you know someone that has access to look in a certain place, there is a spoof sell order, and there has been a spoof sell order of 1 million Bitcoin. I'll repeat. There's been a spoof order of 1 million Bitcoin. You can do the math on how much money that is. Now, why would this same organization, which they've been doing it since December, this 1 million Bitcoin, and no matter how many times you throw chunks at it, it always replenishes. They've been keeping the price of Bitcoin down. Now, there's a rumor about futures contracts with Bitcoin coming up here, and that is that they're going to suspend new Bitcoin futures contracts. Now, when I heard this, and I almost couldn't believe in myself. Some shit's going on. They want a couple different oversight committees to look away, and then as soon as a 1 million, like when you see like the 10 million Bitmex spoofings where they're trying to fool people into doing certain things, that's what's going on. But you're talking about, we're not talking about blue whales, you're talking about gods. These people worship, these are Satanists. Some of these groups, allegedly. Some of them are just Chinese, some of them are a mix. All of them have more assets and money than all of you, everyone we know, everyone you know, combined. So, my goal right now, that being said, is when they pull that rug, when they take away that 1 million Bitcoin wall, talk about going to the moon. 25K, 20K end of year doesn't seem so outlandish to me anymore. But when it happens, it's going to happen at once. You think they're going to want the ants, they're not going to want to give the ants time to FOMO back in. Anyways. Soon, I strongly believe this next week, we're at least going to see between a 10 to a 20% pump in Bitcoin. Never have we ever, anytime recently, been rejected at the 100-day moving average. I have never felt so sure and strong. So, if this week it turns out that I am wrong, I won't be so we're going to be bouncing between 7,500, 7,400, maybe 7,600, 7,400. And then let the games begin, baby. Next week it's countdown. We knew that it wasn't going to be going. It's the weekend right now. And I'm surprised we've been able, all that's happening is just a replay of the first day. It's the same shit. Look, it's the same shit. And I can't believe people don't see this. Like, man. And for all the RSI people, all the people, RSI, here's your RSI. Look, it's going up the peak right now. Get your longs, 7,400, 7,300. That's where you want your longs to be. This is a scam. Scam alert. There's no team behind it and everything. I guess this is the next type of scam, is to say you want to build hydroelectric powered miners, yet you don't show having any experience of getting government regulations or in any similar type of business. You paid some guy $500 on YouTube to push this shit out. Don't throw your money away at this. No do. Don't do. Yes, I see you, Oracle. You know, I saw in the comments that someone said we should do a Bitmex showdown of a week. Boy, would this be a week to do it! Now, I know you're a little older than me. I'm sure you have more money than me. You may have more subscribers than me. But I guarantee that if you and I did a Pepsi challenge on whose subscribers made more money, I would win. And that's not just a shot against you. That's with everybody. So when I was asking for those interviews months and months ago, as an old fan, perhaps it was because I thought I could help, which I could have. Could have shown everyone how to do it themselves if they wanted to be able to make 0.25%, 0.5%, 0.75% a day on their own trading bots. You know, in a fight, I prefer standing up, even though I have wrestling. I was a good wrestler back in my day. So I don't like dishing out low blows. What I will say, I want to give you a tip, Oracle. If you find yourself in this situation, and I'm only saying this to help, because I do it myself too. If you find yourself a little tipsy at night after a few cocktails and you're in the driver's seat, use your thumbs. That's it on the steering wheel. Just your thumbs. That's how you drive drunk.